Hello guys, so today's vlog, we will answer again another question or comments from our viewers. Shout out to at user Vegeta. He's asking, hello, everything is fine. Can you show these settings on RS3 Mini? So he comment on one of our stabilizer. So he want settings from RS3 Mini, both horizontal and vertical, using your cell phone again as your main camera. So again, we will balance our iPhone 15 Pro Max to the DJI RS3 Mini horizontal and vertical. But we did already from horizontal. So this is the link from the horizontal. And now we will make it in vertical. So on this vlog, I will balance vertically the iPhone 15 Pro Max to the DJI RS3 Mini. So yan guys, without further ado, let's start. But again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. So let's start now guys. Again, shout out to user at Vegeta. This is for you. And yan, for all RS3 Mini that you want to use your mobile, this is for you guys. Again, first of all, only we need is the mobile holder. So for me, any mobile holder can do. Any types of a mobile clip. Actually, the weight of this one is very lightweight mobile holder, but can do guys. So again, first, we need to remove this clip, this small clip, this part, and we need to remove this long part from the stabilizer, this one. Just remove it. We will remove. Okay, you don't need this one. Keep aside, and we'll put the this small holder on this part. If you see this red lock, must be in the top, facing like this. Yeah, then lock. So now we are already in the lock position mode. So ayan, this is our lock position mode, which is for balancing. So ayan, we'll put our mobile. So will be like this, and of course the camera is facing from there. Then lock. After you lock all, nurse first to be balanced is this motor A. So we always call motor A, motor B, and motor C. So go with the motor A and lock, and it's heavy in this part. Type now, guys. I'm already in the maximum area. Even if we change the position, I think it cannot. The only thing that you can do for this is to move backward this plate, this holder, this one. So unlock and move backward in front of the camera. Yeah. So it's even, then lock. Even it's not 100% fit, or it's already out of the main, but it's fine as long as it's locked and it hold the mobile holder. It's fine. Now, the second part to balance is this area from the top. So we need to unlock this red locking something, then pull forward from you, not backward, forward. Okay, it's too much until it become vertical. Yeah, it's already vertical like this. You can lock this red lock knob. Now, again, it's already heavy on this side. So we need to unlock and push a little. Yeah. Now lock again. Now you have a perfect balance from motor A. So we're gonna go for the motor B, which is this part. Again, guys, I suggest to use your cover, mobile cover, the thin mobile cover, as long as it can fit for the clamp. It's also very useful for the weight. So it add weights from the mobile. So this motor B, we need to balance, and I think it's fine now for with the help of the cover. Then next is the motor C, which is this part, this one, motor C. Okay, so we need to make sure that it's level, like okay, it's more like this, guys. So it must be level like this motor C. So now I have already balanced from motor A, B, and C. Perfect. Then we can turn on. If shows green, meaning you have a perfect balance. So we have a perfect balance because it shows green from the monitor. You see it shows green. And again, we can also calibrate. So start calibrating. So now we have a perfect balance vertically from our mobile device to the DJI RS3 Mini, or for our iPhone 15 Pro Max to the DJI RS3 Mini. So, and guys, perfect. Go up, down. Yeah. So it's perfect, guys. So again, shout out to at user Vegeta. So again, sir, this is your request. From vertical and horizontal. Horizontal, we did already before. So this is the link from the horizontal, and yeah, I give already the link from the horizontal, but this is from the vertical. And guys, so I think that is for today's vlog, guys. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of DJI RS3 Mini, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. Yeah, hanggang dito na lang, guys. Thank you and mabuhay.